Welcome to this video on dividing a proper fraction by a whole number. Let's have a look at a few questions together. My first question is 2/3 divided by 2. The most logical way to think about this is that if you're dividing a proper fraction by a whole number, you're making the proper fraction smaller. So you can do this by keeping the denominator the same and dividing the numerator by the whole number. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2/3 divided by 2 equals 1/3. Let's look at a second question. 1/4 divided by 2. For this question, the method that I've just taught you through won't work because you can't divide the numerator by 2. So you go to a second method. I'm going to make 1/4 2 times smaller by making the denominator 2 times larger. So I'm going to do 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. And this time, I'm going to keep the numerator the same. 1/4 divided by 2 equals 1/8. I've made the fraction 2 times smaller by making the denominator 2 times larger. And this method will work for every single question where you have to divide a proper fraction by a whole number. So let's have a look at one final question like this. 2/3 divided by 3. So once again, I can't divide the numerator by the whole number. So I'm going to multiply the denominator by the whole number. I'm going to make the denominator 3 times larger. 3 times 3 is 9. I'm going to keep the numerator the same. 2/3 divided by 3 equals 2/9. So if you're ever dividing a proper fraction by a whole number, this method will always work. So for me, it's definitely the one to remember. Thank you for watching this video. You can find links to more resources in the description below.